What's this song about?
I went in for some medicine, feeling like a wounded soldier, deathly pale. And a woman did come to my bedside, a regular Florence Nightingale. But my girlfriend just wasn't having the comparison. So I backpedaled and said, okay then, how about Mary Magdalene? Anyway, I was reminded of a dream I had as my confidence came and went, where all the girls from the 90s were singing just around the river bend, all along the banks of the Arkansas. And I paddled through in a dugout canoe. I was a John Smith cartoon with a strong jaw. Listen, I'm white, middle class and male, and the dream does tell a tale of whiteness, dreaming of whiteness, with a want for wisdom that might tip the scale. 'Cause my friend and I felt an affinity with the tribes in the documentary that plays on a loop in the backmost wing of the Museum of Natural History. But my imperialist didn't suddenly die, he just loosened his tie and took a knee. And Disneyland never made a man, that's all just false idolatry. It's all just false Florence Nightingale comes in with a lamp, they say, on stormy nights when the moon's remembering, talks to me about that photograph. Me and my brother on the sidewalk, holding squirt guns and squinting in the sun. There was the summer I was 9. Well, it's a sunny day at Sugar High School, in the quarterback and track star cutting class and shooting pool. Well, this is not to say that they should be in class, as to why they have to be such assholes. It's as if we men just want to be picked up sequentially, held to the breast of a giantess who stands 10 miles out at sea. Or alternatively, we could find success, really be the best, then maybe we could rest on our Father's knee. Florence Nightingale comes in with a lamp, they say, on stormy nights when the moon's remembering, talks to me about that photograph. Me and my brother on the sidewalk, holding squirt guns and squinting in the sun. That was the summer I was 9. Mary Magdalene was a Golgotha, they say. Ooh, she saw